در آن نفس که بمیرم در آرزوی تو باشم. بدان امید دهم جان که خاک کوی تو باشم. These words will always hold true. I stand before you now, filled with enough energy to make the sun itself blush, and ready to take on this world for as long as I have breath. I love you. You're amazing. You're incredible.
Dear family and friends, we are here today in this beautiful setting to witness and celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the union of Ghazaleh and Jason in marriage. Surrounded by those dearest to them, they have invited us to share in this joyous occasion as they commit themselves to one another. You have come here from near and far to celebrate and support this special moment as Ghazaleh and Jason stand before us, ready to share their lives as one. As a symbol of your love and commitment to one another, you will now exchange rings. These rings are a perfect circle with no beginning and no end, symbolizing the eternity of your love. Let them be a reminder of the vows you have made here today and the love you share. I now pronounce you wife and husband. You may kiss the bride.
Ghazaleh and I want to just thank you all from the bottom of our hearts. You know, you guys, as I said last night, you feed our souls with your love and your warmth. We wouldn't be here in this position. We wouldn't be having this incredible time and just be so overjoyed without each and every one of you. To all of our friends and family, I just want to say that you being here means so much. I can't truly put it into words. You're all so wonderful. We love you dearly. That's why you're here. And that's why you all flew out to Paris to see us. So we're very, very happy.
توی رگهام نمیمیره با تو انگار تو بهشتم با تو پر سعادتم من دیگه از مرگ نمیترسم عاشق شهامتم من اگه رو حسیر بشینم اگه هیچ نداشته باشم با تو من مالک دنیا با تو در نهایتم من با تو انگار تو بهشتم Alright, I'm ready now, I ain't gonna fall back now. Alright, I'm take it on me, baby. Alright, I ever ask, are you gonna be my lover? Tonight, I'll take you with me. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind.